After finishing the Black Mountain Loop, there was a decision to be made to add on a few extra miles and do the Sycamore Loop. Let's go. Woo! The climb was pretty easy, and right away when we dropped in, the juice was definitely worth the squeeze. It was fast, it had just enough chunk to push my little short travel trail bike to its end, and we were in heaven right away. What a day it had been. The hike-a-bike for Black Mountain all the way up to the top was no joke, and I would say it physically pushed me to my end. But by the time we got down to Lower Black, I was so energized and just so full of thankfulness, having ridden some of the best trail in Pisgah. When Mike offered up, did we want to hit Sycamore as well, I think everybody pretty much looked at each other and said, heck yeah. I was impressed with this little trail, and to be quite frank, I don't know if I've actually ever ridden this before. The Sycamore Loop is definitely something I will add into future trips. It's probably a good loop to either do the way we did at the end of doing Black Mountain, or maybe it's something that I would do as a first ride, or if I didn't have a lot of time. Yeah. Slowing. I got the Highline. Woo! Yeah, got that Cali style. Go, 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 go. Chunky bumpy. Giving my little short travel trail bike a run for its money today. Chris with the skinny traverse. Blacks to Sycamore. Totally worth it. I'll hit the Sycamore Loop anytime I can. Such a pleasure to ride with my G4 gang. We've ridden all over the place and I look forward to doing it again. I hope you enjoyed the video and we'll catch you on the next one.